In this video, I'll show you how to enable Gemini in Looker Studio so you can access AI-powered features that help you build reports faster and gain insights more efficiently. Gemini can provide suggestions, guidance, and smarter analysis while working with your data. To begin, sign in to Looker Studio and make sure you're on the home dashboard where your reports and data sources are listed. Next, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open your account settings. Inside the settings menu, look for the option labeled Gemini Settings and open it. Here you'll typically find a toggle that allows you to enable Gemini. Turn it on to activate AI features within Looker Studio. Keep in mind that Gemini may require a Looker Studio Pro plan, so if you don't see the option, it could be due to account limitations or permissions. After enabling, the changes usually apply quickly, and you can start using AI-assisted features while building reports. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.